Facebook does not like YouTube one bit. It's no playground beef either. You see, YouTube is a dangerous competitor and it's growing super fast. This has resulted in Facebook no longer being the website people spend the most time on. Its growth has slowed significantly compared to the mighty YouTube. Well done, YouTube, and well done for you for wanting to make YouTube videos. You're smarter than you look. Facebook wants to be YouTube and become a video-based platform, which is why when you post a link to YouTube videos on your page, they pretty much won't show it to anyone. It's not just YouTube they've taken a disliking to, it's links to anything that isn't on the Facebook platform itself. So how do you promote YouTube videos on Facebook if linking to them is pointless? Well, number one, you go native. The first thing to do is to work out how to use what Facebook does have up its sleeve. Facebook loves video, so it will give it more reach when you upload it to the channel instead of linking away. For a lot of the next few steps, you're going to need to post native videos, so remember the term. Number two, community groups. Think of Facebook as a place where you can bring people together who have things in common, who enjoy discussing the same topics, and who watch your videos. Start a group for these people about your channel's niche. We make videos about YouTube, so we could make a group for YouTubers where they share their tips, tricks, and support each other. Gives me the feels. Post unique content, share other YouTubers' videos, and create a small community. It's all about being helpful and creating an environment for other people who are like-minded. You'll need to make sure your group has rules though, doesn't descend into a massive spam fest, and is tended to regularly. The cool thing is, notifications can alert your group members when things are posted. One thing we would advise is you don't start a group until you have a decent subscriber base on YouTube. Having a group with only one person in it will mean the community vibe could fall flat to start. Get to your 1,000 subscriber mark, or maybe even 500, and celebrate with the opening of your group. Make a big deal about it in a video and keep plugging it every time from there. Number three, Facebook Live. Yes, YouTube has its own live feature, but there's no reason you can't use Facebook as well to interact with your growing following there. At the time of filming, Facebook pings out a notification when you go live to fans, so they can easily access your content. You can also go live to your Facebook and your YouTube channel at the same time. Check out ManyCam for a free way to do this. Switchboard also enables you to do this with the added benefit of streaming Twitch and Periscope. You can point out your new videos live, or even make a monthly show with the roundup of your best content and give people a Q&A session with you to discuss the topics. Number four, trailers. If you've been watching our other videos on how to promote your YouTube, you'll already know that your latest video is your movie, and all movies have trailers to encourage people to go and watch them. Facebook is the place to use your trailers to push people to your YouTube channel. Edit out clips from your main video or record special trailers just for your video to encourage people to go and watch it on your channel. You can't post a link in the description as it will kill your reach. Adding the link to the comments at the time of filming doesn't seem to have the same damage though. So there's one way to make sure it's easy for them to cross channels. That brings us on to the other way to easily give people a link to click on Facebook. Number five, link in bio. Add your YouTube channel link to your Facebook page. Then, in every video that you post to the platform, you can tell people to click this link to see your full content, or subscribe. 6. Post your best older videos. We're firm believers of keeping all of your latest releases on YouTube. It's like the cinema. Films go there first, then go to download and television later on down the line. Think of social media as your TV channel. Post your full-length older videos to keep it topped up with plenty of your best content. You'll get an idea of what videos to post, as you'll know what worked best from releasing before on YouTube. This will give you confidence that what you're about to post works. Make sure your content is still relevant though. Anything outdated will not be doing your followers any favours. Number 7, Facebook Premiere. We'll have a whole video about boosting your YouTube using this feature further down the line, so make sure you subscribe to catch it. Facebook Premiere puts out your videos live to your audience just like a TV channel puts out a pre-recorded show. The main benefit here is its reach. Your fans will get a notification when you schedule one, and you'll get all the benefits of going live without the stress of being on camera. The whole idea is to create some buzz about your latest release, so even a well-made trailer posted here could cause some great results and engagement. Why haven't I done this for ourselves? Number 8, bloopers and outtakes. We love a glimpse behind the scenes. It pleases our naturally inquisitive nature. Posting the mistakes and fun things that happened during the filming of your latest release on your Facebook is a great way to make your viewers feel part of the production. They're seeing the things only the people important enough to be on set are, and as a result, they'll feel involved and you'll give them a giggle. 9, hashtags. We don't tend to associate Facebook with hashtags like Twitter and Instagram, but they're mighty. Adding hashtags to your posts allows you to connect it with people talking about the same thing. Facebook creates individual URLs for hashtags and then groups them, so you'll find it gets your content out to a new audience. Use them wisely though. You should only add 2 to your post. Adding 3 or more has been proven to have a massive impact on engagement. Number 10. Tag. Make sure you tag anyone who features in your videos on your Facebook post. They might have made a guest appearance, or you might have been discussing them, or used some of their content as a resource in your material. Doing this is more likely to generate a share, comment, or like from them, which will once again further your reach. You could upload the post they feature in and post it straight to Facebook to build the relationship further. Just imagine if you appeared on someone else's Facebook, you'd feel pretty flipping special, and it would be hard not to share. Just make sure it's praise you're giving. We don't want you looking like a troll. 11, don't just post videos. If you post trailers and short clips from your YouTube videos all the time, then it'll eventually get boring. Use Facebook to post images, share other people's videos you think your fans will like, and mix it up so that every day something new appears and it's not just all about you. If you recommend someone else's video, your fans are going to trust you, and if they watch it and enjoy it too, then they'll appreciate the share. You might even find other people start sharing your videos as a result. Number 12, your Facebook page. You can customize your Facebook page just like you can your YouTube. Here you can add channel videos, which will jump off the page like an athletic frog. You'll find people visit this page a lot, so use the channel video banner as an opportunity to remind people to check out your YouTube link. 13, pay. Ugh. This wasn't one we wanted to include, but we have to now. Facebook only shows 1% of your followers your latest post, which sucks. That won't take into consideration how they boost it when people hit share and like though, so it's still worth it when done right, as it's still the most used platform. Boosting your latest video trailer to people who like your Facebook page will help more people see it, and it's still pretty cheap. It might be something you want to do when your channel's making money though. Number 14, remarket. Ideally, you'll have a website for your YouTube brand. We'll be making a video all about this soon, so make sure you subscribe to get it. This website will allow you to do a whole host of really important things. Remarketing is one of them. This allows you to show videos on Facebook to people who have visited your website. So you can always make sure they see your latest release, even if they have not liked your page. Remarketing is a massive topic in itself, and there are some brilliant features that will blow your mind. For now, we'd advise just keeping it in mind. So there we have it. Make sure you subscribe to get the rest of our How to Promote YouTube video series and a ton of channel growing content. And check out this video here, all about how to use Twitter to promote your videos.